Okay, we have a Trak CNC/manual flatbed engine lathe, model Trl 1840Sx, serial number 081CQ16320. This machine was new in 2008 and we are running it. Machine has the ProtoTrack SLX control. You have constant surface speed. It's 18-inch swing by 40-inch centers. Right now we are running in the low range, 250 in the low, 400 in the low range, 600. That's 600 in the high. This machine's very quiet. It goes up to 2,500 RPM. 750. So you have a 1,200 RPM. Machine has a 4-way tool post that is programmable. You're seeing an index. You have 9-inch swing over the cross slide. That's your joystick rapid traverse. You can see on the control, it acts as a digital readout. You also have hand wheels. That's your x-axis. Both axes are quiet. Right now he's feeding in the X by hand. Okay, see on the control. And in the Z. Machine also has a steady rest and your tailstock. Tailstock is number 5 Morse taper with 6.3 inches of travel. Nice and clean. This is original paint. Again, the machine does have constant surface speed and threading. 10 horsepower. Hey, thank you for watching our video.